Here's a small business funding hack that's almost as good as robbing the bank. By far the easiest way to get capital if you're just starting a business is piggybacking on what's called a shelf corporation to get credit. A shelf corporation is just an aged company that's been around for a select period of time but doesn't have any activity yet. So what you can do is buy one of these shelf corporations for as low as a few $100s and then use it to apply for business credit for 5 or even 6 figures. And because these corporations are aged and have history and have been around for a little bit, they are seen as more established and more trustworthy to creditors and lenders. And this is going to dramatically increase your chances of being approved and receiving funding for your business venture.
I mean, yes, what he said is correct, but you still need good credit.
So that's what's confusing about the video. The man started off with saying, "This is they buy a shelf corporation to get credit." Like when you buy a shelf corporation, it doesn't come with credit.
No, so he's assuming you have good credit, but he didn't say that in the video.
Exactly.